Hello guys, welcome to the Flying Automation channel. In this video, we will see the one use case, that is how to acknowledge the support ticket mail using UiPath. So here I am talking about the organization. In the organization, if you are facing any issue, then you need to create a ticket for that issue. So for that issue comes on the your mail. So then we need to acknowledge that mail within the limited time period. So for that, I have creating here a robot to acknowledge that mail. So let's go to the UiPath and we'll see that how to do that. So here I'm opening the UiPath Studio. You can see the screen. Here I have already created a flow for time saving. So firstly, I will describe this flow and then we'll run this flow and show you the output, how it's work. So I have already discussed the mail activities in the previous videos, like get secure credential, say how to send mail, how to get mail, how to move mail. So that activity is using here, and we create the flow, created the flow. So you can see here. Firstly, I am using the get secure credential. Using this, I have get the username password from the Windows Credential Manager of the Gmail. So here I have saved the password and here I saved the username. You can see. So after that, here I am using the get IMP mail message, IMP mail message. So using these activities, we are getting the mail. So like you have a get the 3, 4, 5 mail, whatever mail are coming. Uh, get that mail and acknowledge that mail. Like if I have four tickets coming to you, so how to then we need to reply on that four mails. We are working on that issues. So here I have already get the mails, and then here I'm using the for each activities, like we have a multiple cases, then we are using the for each activity here to reply on the all the mails. So here in the body section, you can see I'm using the assign activity to get the sender mail address, and after that I'm using the again assign activity to get the subject of the mail, right? And after you can see here I'm using the send mail message activity. So in the send mail message activity, I'm providing the sender mail ID here, because we are already get the that mail in above. So that mail I'm providing here, and also providing the subject. And in the body section here I'm providing the, you can see, hi team, we are acknowledging your ticket, we are working on it, and regards support board. So in the message section I have written this. So you can see here I'm using the environment new line here, environment dot new line. So for this is for change the new line. Like if you are writing here the hi teams, after that you change the line. So for that, here I'm using the environment dot new line function. So in the message I have already write the message. In the, if you go here and check the all the like email and the password, and you need to provide the subject here and the host in the host, port number and server name. I have already discussed these things in the previous video. So using this, we have created the flow. So now we run this flow and see the output, how it's working. Okay. So I'm running the code. Firstly, I will show you the mail, that mail we are getting and replying on that mail. So you can see here two mail. We have a two mails, uh, UiPath license issue and the UiPath installation issue. These uh, these two mails we are replying. So now go to the UiPath Studio and run this flow and we'll see. So first, for that you need to see, check one thing here in the get mail message activity, how many mails we are getting. So you can see here I have only one mail getting. So you can provide to any. So here I'm providing the two mails because we have a two mails. If you are not sure, so you can provide the dynamic. You can pass the variable as well. Okay. So save this flow and run this. So now you can see our process is completed. Now we check the mail. So you can see here these two mails and go to the sender. The sender is, who is sender? So raju.rastogi 123 at the gmail.com. So that mails I am logging here. You can see. So on the reply, you can see these two mails. If you are see the messages, hi teams, we are acknowledging your ticket and we will working on it. Regards, support board. So in the both you can see the same template coming that we provided in the subject line. And from here we have where we get why we get here these emails, because from this mail ID I have sent it. You can here you can check the sent. I have sent these two mails from this account on this account raju1997.rastogi123 at the gmail.com. So I hope you understand how to reply on the mail. So if you have any query, please write your query in the comment section. We'll provide the solution. That's it for today. We'll meet in the next video. Now